Engineers should get contact with the customer who is in charge. Equipping a fully understanding of the model you are required to install. Confirm that whether the customer need to connect the external printer to analyzer and providing a printer sheet for his reference. And contact to the LIS engineer if needed. Sharing the LIS protocol to him or her is necessary. Make sure with the delivery of the analyzer and reagent. The DF55 should be in one box. The reagents required during installation are LYC1, LYC2, DILC and cleanser. The quality control is usually carried out by the engineer. The client's lab should have the following power supply standard. Grounding voltage should be less than 5 voltage. Power requirements is 100 to 240 voltage AC, input power should not less than 200 voltage ampere. The frequency should be 50 or 60 Hz. The installation should conform to following standards: steady workbench, no vibration. No direct sunlight, avoid from dust. Avoid the wind from air conditioner. Temperature is between 15 to 30 degrees Celsius, humidity is between 30% to 85%. Atmospheric pressure is between 70 to 110 kilopascals. Leave at least 0.5 meter room for front and back of the machine, and 1 meter room for left and right of the machine. Open the outer packing box. Take out the accessory pack. There are 2 tubes for the LYC1 and LYC2. The 2 cap assembly module for diluent and waste. The power cable. And the LAN cable. The wastes tank. And the diluent package on its top has a piece of plastic to fix the tank's bottleneck. Lift up the analyzer on the 4 places with arrow marks, then placing it on the workbench. Open the left door. Prepare the LYC1 reagent, switch its cap and remove all the foil of its bottleneck. Connect the reagent. Prepare the LYC2 reagent. Remove all the foil of its bottleneck. Connect the reagent, close the left door. Turn to the back side of the DF55. Connecting the signal cable and liquid tube. Then the floating cap tube connects to the wastes tank. Connecting the signal cable and liquid tube. Then the floating cap tube connects to the diluent tank. Unlock the right side door with the screwdriver. Then open the door. Remove the binder clips, which are used for fixating 2 conveyor belts. Remove the binder clips, which are used for fixating sampling assembly. 2 clips are to prevent collision during shipment. Connect the power cable at the back. Turn on the analyzer and log in with admin account. Then let the analyzer to apply the initialization. After initialization, please check the background result. All the parameters in background should be within the according standard. If background is not pass, please apply the cleanser soak on software or by manual, or directly contact to Dymind service engineer. After that, please run at least 3 sample with fresh blood. Then go to the review slide. Selecting the sample results you did, then click CV. Chose the selected record, click OK. Then it will show you the mean value, standard deviation and CV percentage. According to the sheet of CV criterion, you can verify the repeatability of the analyzer. Click Menu and go to Gain Setting. Inspect the HGB blank voltage, which should be 4.5 V with deviation 0.1 V. You could adjust the value to change blank voltage. Then it should operate the QC test. DF55 support two methods of QC, which are LJ and multiple rules. First, go to the QC settings slide. Click New and create a new QC file. You should input the targets and their deviation according to the QC's value sheet, and other information about this quality control. After that, click Save. Select the QC file you just created and click In Use. Later, go to the QC analysis slide, run a QC sample. After few minutes, the result will be released. Also, you could check the result in QC graph slide. Finishing QC, then comes fresh blood sample checking. Go to the sample analysis slide. Check whether the scattergram, histogram are normal. If the previous checking items are all passed, then it comes to the setting. Click menu icon, click Setup, and click Auxiliary setting. Here where you could change the sample numbering rules, sample ID modes, result format and flags icon. After setting all well, click Apply and OK. Besides, there is the printer setting. Here you could select the printer, the external one or thermal one, modifying the report title and the quantity copies of each print. Setting printing format, auto printer and printer option. In the user, you can customize the account and name. Name will display as operator in the printing report. Finally, make sure the analyzer functional well and the customers already know how to operate. Then leave the customer site with the approval of the leader in charge.